This is my weekly market update for the week ending May 1st, 2015. Stocks suffered a bit of a decline this week, off about 7%. In front of you, it's a weekly chart of the SPY S&P 500 ETF. You can see we basically, from the weekly candlestick, we traded out slightly above prior week's high, as well as traded below the prior week's low during the course of the week. And on Friday, we had a recovery with a bounce off of the 20-week moving average, so it's that line in red. We'll see what happens next week. Have a feeling we'll probably be range bound to perhaps slightly bearish tone to the markets. Okay, next up, it's a monthly chart of the SPY ETF. You can see we put in a bit of a bearish candlestick to end the month. So we have sort of a longer upper shadow. So this has got me a little bit concerned as we start going into May. I think at best it's wise to be cautious going forward. Stick to your trading plan. Make sure you get out of positions that aren't working for you. Next, I'll go through some trading adjustments that I made this week. So I got out of Actavis. I took a 4% loss here. I got out of the position because we started trading below the 15-week moving average, so the line in gray. Okay, next it's a monthly chart of Actavis, and this is it's yet another reason to be cautious going forward with the stock. You can see in March we put in shooting star candlestick, and now in April we have begun to trade below and close below the low that we saw back in March. Okay, next up it's a weekly chart of Dollar Tree. I got out of this position as well for a 2.5% loss. The red line shows where I exited. The stock began to trade below the 15-week moving average. Okay, so this is a monthly chart of Dollar Tree now, and in my opinion, it's yet another reason to be cautious on this stock. So you can see in March we put in a shooting star candlestick, and now in April we've begun to trade below and close below the lows of March. So it's not looking good so far, despite today's rally. Okay, and the final adjustment for this week was in BIDU, so I took a 1.5% loss here. I was in the position for several weeks, and at one point I was up around 8%. However, I decided to hold a half position through the earnings report and let go of some of my gains as a result. After they reported on Thursday, actually after they reported on Wednesday, the stock closed down Thursday around 8 to 9%. Okay, I'm still currently in all of the other trades that were mentioned previously in these videos. ExxonMobil, XLU Utilities ETF, Walmart, and WestJet. You can follow me on Twitter at DeconstructMad for more ideas and daily updates on these trades.